You want to go off road?
Yeah, I want to go with that.
Do it, I'll get it on video.
Yeah? You gonna help me pick my bike up?
I'll do it. So good to be back on a bike. Even taking just 1 week off feels so good. Dang, they put porta potties up here. That's cool. I never had those up here before. It's gonna be a warm day. It's finally back in the 90s. There should be a ton of people at the beach and on the water today. Oh dang, they put porta potties everywhere. Well, that's nice of Coeur d'Alene. They've never done that. Not that I remember. Going in one of those things in 90-degree heat, it's like going to hell. Yeah, I think so. Oh, good thing we have bikes. It's open enough. I just got back from vacation yesterday. We went over to Sturgis and Deadwood, Mount Rushmore, all that stuff over in South Dakota. That's a really cool area over there. I see why everybody wants to meet up and go ride through the Black Hills and all that stuff. I wish I could have went for Sturgis, but we went like 3 weeks too early or something like that. And I didn't get a ride over there at all. We just had the 4Runner. There's a bunch of different like campsites and stuff along the highway. I didn't realize that was out there. I thought people were just pitching tents in random fields and shit. There's like dedicated campgrounds, a couple different ones. Some big like biker bars. I think you can camp at a couple of them too. We stayed in Deadwood though, not in Sturgis, but I would really like to go back for Sturgis and camp out, stay for like 4 days or whatever. That'd be sweet. One of these years I'm gonna do it. On the way home we stopped in Wyoming and saw Devil's Tower. That thing is crazy looking. If you guys are ever over in that area, you should go check it out. It'd actually be kind of a cool ride from Sturgis to Devil's Tower. I'd love to do that. There's some good rolling hills over there. I always pictured Sturgis so like flat and like, I thought it was just like farm fields basically, which it kind of is. But there are like rolling hills and stuff, and then the Black Hills is like super close to Sturgis. I mean, it's not a far drive at all. Like I said, it's like 3 weeks early for Sturgis and there was still a ton of bikes over there. I mean, that whole area is just dedicated to bikes. There's a lot of people out here fishing today. My wife's uncle's been going to Sturgis like every single year. He loves going. He says it's a blast. I for sure got to make it out there sometime. It looks like so much fun. We're going for a little mountain ride here. This road's super fun on a sport bike. It's still fun on a Harley. You just can't go as fast, but You want to go off road?
Yeah, I want to go with that.
Do it. I'll get it on video.
Yeah? You gonna help me pick my bike up?
I'll do it. I don't want to get my bike all dirty. I'm a bitch.
Man, that's a real nice seat.
You have the same one.
I know it.
Brendan got a brand new bike. It's a Lowrider S. That thing's so badass. I guess him and a couple of his buddies are gonna ride all the way to Sturgis from here. It'd be like a 12-hour ride. Gonna have one hell of a sore ass, buddy. We both have the same seat. They're pretty comfortable. It'd be better with one of those Mustang seats or whatever, the touring seats, but I think those look ugly. I'd rather have my ass suffer for looks. Isn't that what we do? I was trying to do the car alarm.
You want to set one off?
I tried. Payback. Oh, that felt good. He got me. I was gonna get him eventually.
What is that looking in the car?
I owed you.
I got hazards and shit on here.
Well, at least there wasn't a bunch of traffic behind him, only Brendan. It would have been way funnier.